Arsenal they lost.
One is
Oh.
الجو ديالنا ولكن مرة الكرة هي هادي خصنا نعلم شنو وقع اليوم ونديرو اناليسيس ديال الماتش وخصنا نعلم على المستقبل. ضروري خصنا نعلم على اليوم علاش دابا انا لعبنا شي 4 كوبا افريكا وديما وقع بحال اليوم. خصنا من عند الشانس خصنا نماركي ونكمل الماتش دوغان، ولكن هي هذه الكرة مرة ما كتبهاش اليوم، وان شاء الله خصنا نكونتينيو نزيد ترافاي ونعلم من اليوم، وان شاء الله في المستقبل نديرو الكاس على الجماعة ديالنا. هما ديما كون معنا وشجعونا، وخصنا نرجعوا الحب اللي كيعطينا.
The game, great chances. Unfortunately, we don't score, and then start taking off not so good, and on their first action they score 1 goal. And then we keep pushing. We have great chances again. Unfortunately, we don't score. We missed 1 penalty, and yeah, that's it. We have to be more clinical on both zone, behind and in front. And today was not the case.
What would you say for the Moroccan fans who came today to support you and they...
We are sorry because we want to go further in this competition. I think all the players, they give everything on the pitch, no one chance on the runs and everything, but it was not enough today, so it's hard one to take today. So fortunately this is football, but we have to move on.